If your door won't close properly, it can be super frustrating and even mess with your home's security or energy bills, so fixing it fast is a must. Alright, first off, check those hinges because loose or worn out hinges are a classic reason doors don't shut right. Grab a screwdriver and tighten any loose screws, or if they're stripped, swap them for longer ones to get a better grip. Next, if the door rubs against the frame, try planing the edges with some sandpaper or a hand planer. Just a little at a time so you don't overdo it. Also, peek at the door frame alignment. Sometimes the frame shifts or warps, making the door stick. If that's the case, adjusting or shimming the frame can help realign everything. Don't forget to check the weather stripping too, because old or thick strips can prevent the door from closing fully. Finally, make sure the latch lines up with the strike plate. If it doesn't, you might need to move or enlarge the strike plate hole a bit. Taking these steps can save you from calling in a pro and get your door closing smooth again. One of the biggest issues with doors that won't close properly is ignoring hinge problems. Loose or rusty hinges cause misalignment, so tightening screws or replacing hinges fixes that. Another common mistake is oversanding or planing the door edges too much, which weakens the door. Always remove small amounts gradually. Last, people often overlook frame misalignment caused by house settling or humidity changes, so checking the frame and using shims to adjust it helps get everything lined up perfectly. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle these exact door problems. Plus, it gives contractors a chance to find more work by showing their skills to people who really need them.